Hi everyone! Welcome to Elis Talks. Kung OFW ka, kahit saan sulok man dito sa mundo, lalo na kapag nandito ka sa Dubai, United Arab of Emirates, Middle East, Asia, Europe, or in America, this channel is especially made for you. Kung matagal mo nang iniisip kung paano ka makapag-invest sa real estate, nasa tamang channel ka ngayon. Okay? Why this channel exists? Alamin natin lahat na bilang OFW, we work hard. We sacrifice our time without our family. Diba? Pero ito pinakamasaklap. Pera lang palagi ang inuuwi natin. Pero ang tanong, hanggang kailan ka magtatrabaho bilang OFW? May investment ka na ba na nag-work habang natutulog ka? That's why I created Elis Talks para i-educate ang mga OFW around the world about real estate investment. Lalo na kapag nandito ka sa Dubai. Hindi ito channel ng yabang, lalong hindi ito channel ng get rich quick, of course. Walang madali sa pagyaman. This is a channel about knowledge, strategy, at tamang desisyon. What you will learn here, mga matutunan mo dito sa Elis Talks is paano mag-invest kahit OFW ka lang dito sa Dubai. Paano maging Dubai landlord? This is very interesting, you know. Paano magkaroon ng properties here sa Dubai. And of course, how to become a landlord in the Philippines at the same time na nag-work ka sa abroad. How to avoid scams. And how to invest kahit hindi ka pa milyonaryo. Papunta pa lang sa pagyaman. At paano gawing income generating asset ang pinaghihirapan mong ipon? Well, simple lang ang goal ko. Gawing mas matalino ang mga OFW sa pera at property. Why you can trust Elis Talks? Kasi hindi ako nandito para pilitin kang bumili. Nandito ako para i-guide ka. Okay? I believe that before investing, you must start with knowledge. A confident investor is an educated investor. At hindi kailangan mayaman para magsimula. Kailangan mo lang ay marunong. Kung OFW ka man pagod na ngayon, pagod na sa kakapuro padala, this channel will help you to shift your mindset from spender to investor. OFW ka man ngayon, hindi ka dapat forever na lang OFW. You deserve stability. You deserve passive income. Asset under your name. A future na hindi ka umaasa sa sahod lang. At possible lahat yan with the right guidance. So, if you want to learn how to invest in real estate, smart way, subscribe Elis Talks. Kung nakakatulong ang video na to o ang channel na ito, paki-like, share, and please comment kung anong bansa ka nanonood ngayon. Let's build not just income but ownership. This is Elis and welcome to Elis Talks.